Principle of operation of an induction motor. The operation of an induction motor involves its two primary parts, which is the stator and the rotor. The stator, or the stationary parts, is made up of the series of coils, and when an alternating current passes through these coils, it generates a magnetic field. The rotor, on the other hand, or the moving part, is located inside the stator and is subjected to his magnetic field. The principle of electromagnetic induction causes the rotor to rotate when it is exposed to the magnetic field. This happens due to the induce in the current generated in the motor and as a result of the changing in the magnetic field. The frequency of the rotating magnetic field is the same as the frequency of the AC supply, while the rotor is slightly less than the speed of the magnetic field. The difference in speed is called the slip.